I think all of us, especially during 2020, kind of realized the need for it. When you're having staggering shifts, you have people that were sick, people that couldn't make it, people that quit. I guarantee there's so many people in this room who have dealt with a workforce that's just not really reliant anymore. And as we were getting more and more orders, I was getting calls from customers at 1 in the morning yelling and screaming, "Where's our stuff?" It's almost like they forgot what we're all kind of dealing and facing with, but when they're your customer, you kind of just have to grit your teeth and be like, yeah, we're working on it. And I think at that point you start to see the need that you can't just rely on your team anymore, just because people have lives and there's things that are happening, there's things that are going on. And so I kind of brought this up to my dad, and he just brushed me off and said, "Oh, well, we're a high mix, low volume. We have no need for it." And it was just kind of like showing him that there are other things outside of what he thinks as like a true cell automation, that there's other avenues that we can take to kind of move through that. So it was more convincing him and kind of seeing what we were looking at in terms of the economy and the people and the pandemic to kind of keep up with the work that we were getting.